Let's start with a quick look at how AI is really changing software development today. Instant code generation, automatic documentation, and even suggesting algorithms in seconds. It's pretty wild.
Yeah, it's impressive, but it doesn't mean the fundamentals of computer science are any less important. If anything, they're more critical now.
Exactly. When AI can spit out answers so fast, what really matters is knowing how to check if those answers are right. That's why, for sixth semester CS students, their curriculum is now dated. It's actually their biggest advantage in this AI era.
Right. Take automata and formal languages, for example. AI uses things like tokenization and parsing, but it can't formally prove language properties. Students learn to build automata, apply the pumping lemma, and classify grammars, skills AI just doesn't have.
Uh-huh. And in information security, AI actually introduces new risks, like prompt injection or weak encryption suggestions. So, knowing security best practices is more important than ever to avoid dangerous AI-generated code.
Plus, in electives like generative AI, students study transformers and attention mechanisms. That helps them understand AI's architecture, why hallucinations happen, and token limits. It's about turning AI from magic into something you can really grasp.
Yeah, and data mining and blockchain also connect with AI through pattern detection and fraud analysis. But without human interpretation, those patterns can lead to wrong decisions.
So AI is great at generating draft solutions, explaining textbook definitions, and suggesting alternative approaches. It speeds up learning and exploration.
But it struggles with formal proofs, rigorous derivations, worst case complexity, and secure architectural decisions. AI gives statistically likely answers, not guaranteed correctness.
That reminds me of a student who asked AI if a language was regular. AI said yes, confidently, citing a regular expression but gave no proof. Then, in the exam, the student was asked to apply the pumping lemma and couldn't. Confidence doesn't equal correctness.
Exactly. That's why we suggest a simple five-step validation framework for students using AI. First, check if the concept matches the textbook. Second, try to derive the proof or analyze complexity yourself. Third, review edge cases. Fourth, do a security check if relevant. And finally, make sure you can explain it without AI help.
That's a solid way to protect your learning. And when it comes to talking about AI use in placements, it's better to say, I use AI to explore approaches but verify correctness using formal methods, rather than just, I use AI to solve problems.
Right? That shows depth, responsibility, and confidence. At the end of the day, AI changes how we execute tasks, but not our accountability.
When everyone can generate answers, those who can critically evaluate and defend them lead. So your CS fundamentals are your real leverage in this AI era.
Well said. It's not about competing with AI. It's about using your curriculum to use AI responsibly.
Yeah, that's a powerful way to look at it. Thanks for diving into this with me.
Likewise. Until next time.